I wanted to transport my girls to a tropical place. And so I am making a mango chiffon pie. It's gonna be velvety, it's gonna be smooth, and extra fruity. So in this bowl, I have a 1/4 cup of water, and I've added my gelatin packet so that gelatin blooms, and it's gonna help stabilize the filling. I have 13 graham crackers, and this is gonna be my crust. And because I'm making a mango pie, and I really want it to taste nice and tropical, I thought it'd be fun to add some toasted coconuts to the crust. That's about a 1/2 cup. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, bring out some of that sweetness in the graham crackers, and 1 stick of melted butter. I wanna make sure that this crust gets nice and fine, and I'm gonna add it to my very deep pie dish. See, those are the pretty crumbs, they're nice and fine. I smell that coconut. Oh. Hit that butter, and Lord, my senses are just going wild right now. So all I'm doing is forming my pie crust here, pushing it up the sides because this is gonna be a deep and tall pie. My favorite part is the crust. I actually eat my cheesecake backwards. I start from the back because that's where the crust is. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm gonna bake this for about 12 minutes or until the crust turns golden brown. Now I'm gonna make the filling for my mango chiffon pie. I have 1½ cups of mangoes that were frozen but thawed. I'm gonna add it to a blender. I have a 1/2 cup of mango nectar. Now you can find mango nectar in the international aisle in the supermarket. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So it's gonna be a little tart from the lemon juice, sweet from that mango. I'm gonna blend this until it becomes smooth. Oh, it smells like mangoes, like freshly peeled mangoes. I'm gonna pour my mango filling right into the bowl with my gelatin. Add a 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm gonna give it a whisk. All right, so I've mixed my pie filling with my gelatin. I'm gonna let that set up. I've separated 4 eggs. I'm gonna add it to my mango and lemon and that gelatin in there. This is gonna be my pie filling. Looks like sunshine in a bowl. All right, it's fully incorporated. Let me grab my pie crust. Ooh, I smell the coconut, I smell the butter. So I have a saucepan here that I'm heating water over. I'm gonna do something called the double boiler method. So I'm just heating this until it becomes more of like custard texture. I'm gonna let that cool down and set up. And while that cools down, those egg whites that I had left over, I'm gonna pour it in this bowl, beat this until I get soft peaks. The egg whites are gonna give this pie filling that smooth and chiffon-like texture. All right, I got some soft peaks here. I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and that's gonna help stabilize the egg whites. And I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm gonna beat this until the egg whites form stiff peaks this time. All right, I think, yep, that's stiff. Okay, let me grab my pie filling and the pie crust. Now I'm gonna fold all of this in. Oh my goodness, this already looks so silky. So my pie crust has cooled down. I'm gonna add my beautiful mango chiffon filling. Now I'm gonna let this chill in my fridge until it's time to take it down to the beach. This wasn't like the beach treats I ate growing up.